In a thermodynamic system, a process in which volume remains constant is called dash process. Answer: isometric. What does the slope of a velocity time graph represent? Answer: acceleration. Which hill station is called as the Queen of Satpuras? Answer: Pachmarhi. Hirakud Dam has been built on the river. Answer: Mahanadi.
To download free SSC mocks and previous papers, go to google.com and search Cracku free SSC mocks. Go to the first link from the search results. Click on the exams link you want to take. Click on the free mock to take the test.
The process through which excess of light energy is dissipated in photosynthesis is known as? Answer: photolysis. The economy in which there is a mixture of public sector and private sector both is called as? Answer: mixed economy. The Securities and Exchange Board of India recently imposed a restriction on money flow in equity through P-notes. What is the full form of P-notes? Answer: participatory notes. The Battle of Talikota was fought in the year? Answer: 1565. What is the maximum strength prescribed for state legislative assemblies? Answer: 500. Gandhiji's Dandi March started from? Answer: Ahmedabad. Indravati Tiger Reserve is in which state? Answer: Chhattisgarh. Who discovered cement? Answer: Joseph Aspdin. Which fundamental right was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Answer: right to constitutional remedies. The minimum age for becoming a member of Rajya Sabha is? Answer: 30 years. Equus asinus is the scientific name of? Answer: donkey. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for daily notifications. Thank you.